Hello, my name is Rebecca Davis and I am the Managing Director of Willow Daycare Limited based at Llangwili Hospital in Carmarthen. I've always enjoyed working with children. They're really exciting and it is an environment where you can be just very, very natural. The children don't judge you. If you make a mistake, they don't correct you very often. Some do, sometimes. But it's just really rewarding to see them grow and to see them develop from a young baby. During the first lockdown, the lease of this building became available, and with the support of Business Wales, I decided to put in a tender bid to seize the moment of my opportunity to do my own business. Probably not one of the best times to start up a business because we were approaching second lockdown for the pandemic. However, I was concerned for the key workers and the NHS of a facility on site being closed when they were desperately needing childcare at that time. I re-registered the nursery during March 2021 and basically did it all myself by upcycling, recycling, on a personal loan because there was no childcare business startup funding available because everything was going on COVID. Used some of my own savings, but here I am today and I am considerably proud of myself. Willow Daycare Limited recently won All Wales Apprenticeship Awards for small medium businesses, which is a real achievement for the last 18 months of hard work. Since starting the nursery, I originally started with 3 staff and 7 children, and we are now a team of 24 staff with over 140 children registered. So becoming an apprentice with ourselves, we work closely with TSW Training, who comes in every 2 weeks and supports the member of staff with their development and their learning. Also, I support with regular reviews and monitoring, hands-on, modelling, showing the way of good practice, and it's just really fulfilling to see and watch them grow and develop and to become really good practitioners.